Today I'm going to be adding backup sights to an AR. These are 45-degree offset sights. They're flip up. They mount on a Picatinny rail. Fairly cheap. Fully adjustable. Up and down on your rear. And you got your windage on the other side. On your front sight, you've got a spring-loaded pin. Then you've got 4 places. Push the pin in and rotate it up or down, whatever you need. It doesn't adjust for windage, just your rear. We'll take care of both of them. Let's get them installed. And you can see on your rear sight, you've got 2 different size peep sights on it. Flip up. And the way these mount, you got a bolt that goes in the rail on your Picatinny. Snug it up pretty good. When you need your iron sights, rotate your rifle to the side. When you don't need them, fold them down.